Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Andre Brooks here with another Do You Know weather lesson today. And today we are going to be talking about skew T basics. Now, what is a skew T? A skew T is basically a vertical profile of the atmosphere, and it allows for us meteorologists and forecasters to see what is actually going on in the atmosphere. And there's a few basics that I want to go over today in the skew T plots. So what we have is our temperature line, which is the line in red, and also we have what we call the dew point line, which is the line in blue. And usually these correspond with what the temperature is throughout the column and also what is the dew point throughout the column as well. We have these streamline wind plots throughout the column too. So for example, we have 5 knots at 1,000 millibars, which is really near the surface, and we have about, I would say, about 70 knots at 250 millibars, and that's within the upper part of the atmosphere. And speaking of millibars, we also have on the side here the millibars, which represent the level of the atmosphere. So if we have 1,000 to about 850 millibars, that is representative of the surface. When we have 700 to 500 millibars, that's representative of the mid part of the atmosphere. And 400 millibars and up, that represents the upper part of the atmosphere. So this is really telling you that this is levels of the atmosphere. And also what we have is cape and sin. Cape is when you have the temperature line along with these curved lines here, and that allows for you to see how much energy is in the atmosphere for these storms to develop. And also you have sin, which is right here. This is what the sin is. When you have sin in the atmosphere, that allows for capping to occur, and that prevents storms to develop. But at the same time, you need some cap in order for the energy to build up at the surface or in the mid part of the atmosphere. So that is basically your skew T basics. And you guys have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.